So I got my hands on the iPhone 17 Pro Max early, as you can see right here. Well, sort of. Let me explain. So as you see here, this is the new iPhone 17 Pro packaging. This is the new design. This is the new iPhone that Apple will be releasing shortly in just a matter of weeks. The September 9th event is already official, and obviously these devices are already set to go. Now, obviously the announcement has not happened just yet, but we have an early preview of what looks to be the iPhone 17 Pro. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing and let me show you this iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's get in here and let's go ahead and break the seals off of this one and let's go ahead and unbox this new device. There it is, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Wow, there it is. You guys see it right there. Now inside of the box, let's move this over to the side here momentarily. We have the cable, SIM extractor. That's it. So let's get into the actual device. Let's go ahead and peel off the plastic from the front and let's power it up. Let's go ahead and boot up the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Take a look at that. The new design, the new camera module, the new iPhone in comparison to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Take a look there. There you guys have it. A first look at the new iPhone. Of course, we're going to take a look at the software as well. So let me go ahead and boot this one up. All right, so here we go. The iPhone is all set up, as you can see right here. Now, obviously, if you haven't noticed already, this is not an actual iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is a dummy unit, and I wanted to make this video because to the untrained eye, you can actually pass this as the new iPhone design. The new iPhone, you see right here, we have the new camera module with the LED flash. We also have LiDAR, microphone, the camera sensors, although the actual sensors are a little bit off position. To the untrained eye, this is going to be almost unnoticeable. And as you can see here, we have the action button, the side button here for Siri. The software looks similar, although this is the dead giveaway. Obviously, this is an Android device running some sort of iOS skin. As you can see here, we have the volumes up and down. We also have the action button and of course a SIM tray here, as you can see. And wow, it is kind of crazy how over the years, you know, these dummy units look so much better than they did just a few years ago. Again, the dead giveaway is going to be software. Obviously, again, this is an Android device running some sort of iOS skin, as you can see right here. You see right there, it even says iPhone 16 Pro Max for some reason, running iOS 18 still. But yeah, no liquid glass. This is not the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is actually a dummy unit, but wow, they've gotten so good over the years that, again, to the untrained eye, this could actually pass as an iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you try to actually tell someone that this is an iPhone, they might believe it if they're not into this, iOS ecosystem and everything. If they're new to the Apple world, they could actually fall for this. So yeah, share this video. Let me know. Apple will soon be announcing the new official iPhone 17 Pro Max. Just wanted to share this quick unboxing video and experience with you guys on how these dummy units have evolved over the years. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.